Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Looking at the FTSE, my bias is a buy. We've got this dip down into this daily order block combo, this 4 hour. If you look left, you can see more or less running through the middle of this range, so we could call that a point of control. And it's also picking up the high and low of this red candle prior to this leg up. So it's a nested support level here. That's usually quite a strong level. And I'm thinking the possibility that we see, and I'm going to get a bit adventurous with this, we have the FTSE dividend payout date, Friday the 9th. Dividend payouts. And what I've noticed over time is as we come into the dividend payout date, the market tends to rally bullish. I've seen it over and over again, and this is one of my favorite trades. And it's a pretty high win rate. I'm generally, achieving maybe 85-90% win rate with it. Dividend payout day. So the market tends to, in most cases, rally up into this dividend payout. And given that that's tomorrow, Friday, I'm expecting this to push up into, this has got the 61.8786, these fib levels, and this 4 hour order block up here. So let's just see if we get that. I'm long, and I mean, you could jump in here with a market buy, keep it a small position, not financial advice, of course, but see that we're trading up into resistance here. Be careful. But a small position at market, then this is what I've set up here on my live account, pending orders under. That's it. And I think stop loss, let's just average that out. Going to go for broke with that. Stop loss, I'm going to head under this daily order block here. Watch out, guys. Smart Money has been pretty aggressive with stop hunts, right? So we can see, look at this wick down, right? They want to buy, or they want to push it up. Look what they do. Bang. Down here as well. Prior to this rally here, look what they do. Like, they hit stops very aggressively, and then off they go. Here's another one. Stop hunt. That's what I'm thinking. That's my thought process with this. Stop hunt, and then they're looking to rally up into these levels. Be careful. So I tend to look, my stop losses are, lately I've been kind of going wider with them, trading more on a four hour daily time frame, and I'm really spending more time searching for opportunities around these daily order blocks where we get these nested levels, like lower time frame, this 4 hour daily combo. They've been an interesting trade setup. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on, but that's my setup. By the way, guys, join Telegram, my Telegram group. It's free. It's really good value. The link is below. I'd love to see you in there. What else can I say about this? My bias is a buy, and see how we go with that. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.